Hey there, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. This channel is about towing cars on a daily basis. This is what we do. We tow and title people's cars. Anyway, if you missed out on the shirt giveaway, don't worry about it. We got a bunch more giveaways coming down the pipeline. As the channel grows, I'm going to be doing a lot of giveaways. Anyway, if you hadn't hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, I encourage you to do that. That way you know the video drops when it hits. So hey, thank you for the likes and subscribes. Appreciate everybody sharing. The only way I can grow is through my subscribers. Anyway, let's get to the videos. Hey, we're back on it. We just pulled on this property here. It's a pretty nice property. They got this property in really nice shape. This manager's called us because she's got a vehicle over here that's got wheels off of it. She wants it towed off the property. She don't know if it's stolen or what. And who knows? She said they're trying to pull the wheels off of it, something like that, but it's on jacks. It's got to go. I don't believe it's got a tag on it either, but there may be complications with this one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I believe I'm gonna put the wheel back on this car. That'll keep from hurting it any worse. I don't have to put this wheel on it, but it's here, and I might as well. Anyway, I didn't have to put that wheel back on that car. I don't guess there's a lot of tow guys probably wouldn't have put that wheel back on there. It took an extra couple of minutes to put that wheel on. It's better for the car. It is wrecked and it's totaled out, and this person's lucky I put that wheel back on there. What I usually do is just drag them up. If there's not a wheel around or wheels, either way, I put the wheel back on it to save the whoever owns the car a little bit of headache, and also to help out at the yard. We bring these cars that don't have wheels on them at the yard, and it makes it real difficult to move them around at the lot if they don't have wheels. That's one reason. The other reason I just if I can, I will go the extra mile to try to keep from damaging the car any worse than it already is. Like I said, if I was scared, if I was afraid of doing this, I probably would have went and tried to winch it up quick as possible and get out of there. But I'm not that concerned about having confrontations. I have them anyway. When it happens, I just deal with it. And my faith in God has a lot to do with my success in doing this job. God protects me on these impounds, and He has protected me for many years. And that being said, I'm also vigilant about how I do things. I hope nobody gets hurt when I'm doing this, but I am prepared to do whatever I got to do. We got to keep these contracts up. Whatever happens in the midst of keeping these contracts up, it's just part of the job. Just deal with it. Anyway, I'm gonna sign it out and go to the yard with it. Hey, there's Tow Trucker. We're back. Same old situation. We just pulled into a property. I hadn't been over here in a month or two. Anyway, I've already found a couple of cars. There's quite a few on the list. Quite a few people came and talked to the office too. Looks like they got that one fixed. We're gonna keep right on rolling. This has been an extremely busy season. We've been towing so many cars that I've lost track of count of how many I've towed. I can't tell you how many cars I impounded yesterday. It's been that hectic. People just parking anywhere and everywhere. There's cars abandoned everywhere. You know, we just steadily towing, just insane towing. Matter of fact, I think there's one right there. Let me get out and check it. Yeah, it was stickered. 620, tags bad, out of state. That right there is a wheel lifter. I'm gonna hold off on that one. I'll come back and put it on my wheel lift. I may have some all-wheel drives or flat tires and stuff like that to put on my flatbed. But you got to kind of be strategic about it, about how you do it. That way you get all your cars loaded at one time. Let's see, burgundy motorcycle. I don't see no motorcycle. But that Nissan right there, burgundy Maxima, no decal on tag. That one was stickered there. Got no decal. It's got no decal on it, so I'm gonna have to circle it too. Let's see. Burgundy Maxima. Blue Sonic was gone. Yeah, how you doing, man?
Doing good.
Is that your car?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Well, you know it was stickered for not having a decal on plate. You got a decal
Who
for
put the sticker on there?
It's done by the property. Property has it done.
They already know good and well. I guess they're not communicating with your office. I'll park my vehicle in front of this. You can sit here trying all day.
Hey, listen, you're out here. I'm not going to tow it with you out here. I'm
just making sure.
Listen, if you're out here and you can, and listen,
it's stolen. They know about it. They should have told you.
Property has
they didn't know.
To me
Hey, they got so that's fine. Hey, they got so many cars on property. They can't keep track of which ones are which. And,
well,
hey,
no, this is a big deal.
Well,
what if
it's
I
a big
wasn't
deal.
here and you took my car?
Yeah, I understand.
So you need to
Hey, listen. Hey, you got a police report? Don't tell me what I am and I ain't, man. I'm trying to help you, man.
You ain't trying to help nobody.
I'm trying to help you not get towed. I'm trying to tell you not to get towed, bro. Put your police report in the window and write stolen tag on it. Nobody, no tow guy would tow it.
Communicate with the office, not me.
Yeah.
It takes
Communicate
3 to 5
with the
days
office,
to get a
not me.
police report.
Did you check with them before you came over here?
Man. Yeah, I sure did, man.
Did you check with them about this vehicle?
Sure
and they
did.
told you to come tow it.
It's on the list, man.
They told you to come tow it?
It's on the list.
Did you check the list today?
Yeah,
Did you check the list before you came to
I
tow
just
this
left
vehicle?
the office. You trying to dress me down, dude. And I'm trying to tell you if you put...
The office did not... The office told you today to tow this vehicle.
They did not mark it off the list, man.
You're telling me you checked with them today and they told you today to tow this vehicle.
We never tow without checking with the office. It's done.
Today?
Yes. Hey,
Same day.
Hey, what unit? I'm going to put your unit number beside here.
You checked today and they told you to tow this vehicle.
Yes, man. I just told you. I just left. Hey, what's your unit number so I can mark it on here?
2703.
Okay. Anyway, that gentleman got mad at me, then he got mad at the office. And I asked him if he had a police report. Well, somebody stole the sticker off his tag. The only way to get a new one is to call it in stolen. And evidently he didn't call it in stolen. He's been dragging his feet about calling the police. You know, why hadn't he called him right now? Is he gonna wait? He gonna wait till he gets towed? These cars were stickered on the 8th. Today's the 13th. He's had 5 days to make a police report and get a new sticker. And I know it takes a little time, but the reason the office didn't mark him off is I don't think the office might not believe him. If he don't have a police report, then that's not, his claims are not substantiated, period. Got the manager pulling up here now. He's gonna hit, I'm sure he lied to the manager. What's going on?
We need to make sure that I didn't know that truck wasn't on that do not tow list.
Yeah, the car, yeah. That's fine.
Talked to management not to have it on there.
That's fine. I marked it off. I already marked it off mine.
Okay.
And I tried my best to be polite, but he and I told him put a police report or something. I put a note in the car.
Yeah.
You know, let me know. We're not trying to tow people stuff that are legit, you know.
Right.
That's fine. I'll mark it off the list, and like I said, I don't know why it got angry, but it wasn't supposed to.
I know. I'm just trying to
Yeah, I know, that's me too. I'm not trying to stir ruffle no feathers. Anyway, we do have a real junky vehicle right here. It's been stickered. It's got a flat tire, and it's been there for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and load it in just a second. Let me get out and check it. Hey, this car's got to go. I'm gonna load it up right now. Pretty bad. Anyway, I'm fixing to back up and grab this little Corolla. There's a Corolla down here. It's got a sticker on it, expired tag. Anyway, you see it right there. Go ahead and hook that thing up.